This is a day in my life as a naturopathic doctor who works from home. I start my mornings off with some morning sunlight, if you know, you know. And I decided I'm going to be going to the gym before I start work this morning, so I got ready for that and decided to eat some breakfast first. Vinny, of course, needs to make sure it passes inspection. I've been starting my mornings off with the Sojin Focus tincture. This tincture contains CBD, peppermint oil, and copaibo oil. And I've been taking it for a few weeks and definitely have noticed my focus during my workday improve. I'm able to get through all of the tasks I need to get done throughout the day without feeling like I'm getting distracted or procrastinating. Right there, I was just making my pre-workout for the gym, and then I decided to do stuff on the treadmill and do some ab workouts. Once I got home, it was time to see some patients and clients, finish up their treatment plans and chart notes. I went and did some errands. My boyfriend and I are watching Ozark, so we're finishing that up. And then it was time for my nightly routine where I took my Sojin tincture because we want to take it 2 times a day to increase focus, and then did my skincare and went to bed.